Made the entire salon stop cutting when they heard who got my client pregnant. I was touching up my lip gloss between clients when I checked the booking system for my next appointment, and my heart literally stopped when I saw the name. Amanda Harmon, 2 p.m. trim and style, and that last name was ringing every alarm bell in my head, even though I couldn't quite place why it felt so familiar. Amanda walked in looking about 7 months pregnant, and she settled into my chair with that exhausted sigh all pregnant women seem to have mastered. She started venting immediately about how her husband Jeff never helped with the nursery, and how he kept telling her she was being dramatic about morning sickness. My stomach dropped when she said his name, and my eyes darted to her left hand where a wedding ring sat, confirming what I didn't want to be true. This was Jeff's wife, the same Jeff who destroyed my sister Elena 6 years ago when he left her bleeding out in surgery to go be with his mistress. The same Jeff who was updating his relationship status while Elena was losing their baby on the operating table. Amanda kept talking about how unsympathetic Jeff was, completely oblivious to the fact that she was the mistress he'd been texting from the hospital waiting room, the woman he proposed to while my sister was still learning how to walk again. My hands started shaking as I sectioned Amanda's hair, and Megan at the next station caught my